Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video from Dainty Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to perfect the lemon cake, the one you'll find in every coffee shop, and they're not usually as good as this one. Let me show you how to perfect it and how to create the finest crumb lemon cake, and let's get started. As you can see, I'm going to use the stand mixer for this recipe. I added 1 cup of granulated sugar, the zest of 1 whole lemon. Mix the lemon zest and the sugar a little bit with your fingertips. Add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can use olive oil if you hate using vegetable oil. Add 1/2 stick of very soft room temperature butter. The oil will produce a very moist cake. The butter will enhance the flavor, so it's a good idea to mix both. We're gonna whisk butter, oil, and sugar at least 3 minutes until it becomes fluffier, lighter in color, just like so. And meanwhile, I'm gonna prep my dry ingredients. I'm gonna let you in on a secret. I'm mixing all-purpose flour and cornstarch to get the finest crumb on this cake. If you have cake flour, use cake flour. If not, you're gonna do 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift the whole thing and set aside. I get back to my mixer. The batter looks light and fluffy and ready for the next step. Let's give the batter some love. I'm gonna flavor with either some almond extract or some lemon flavor. I chose the lemon flavor. I add 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add 2 extra large eggs, 1 at a time. Add 1 and start whisking on low speed until the mixture comes together nicely. I add the other one. Add 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And the last wet ingredient is 1/2 cup of sour cream. Mix a little, and now we're ready for the dry ingredients. I add slowly, and from this point forward, you don't want to mix using the whisk. You want to mix gently with a hand whisk or a rubber spatula because you don't want to overmix your batter. So use a rubber spatula or a hand whisk to mix the ingredients just until combined. And you know what? Few lumps are okay. Don't sweat it. You're gonna grease a loaf pan with butter and flour or a baking flour spray. Smooth the top nicely. Bake in a preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. The temperature of the oven should be at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The cake is ready and it smells heavenly. I'm gonna wait for it to cool completely before I add this simple glaze on top. This is simply powdered sugar mixed with some lemon juice until desired consistency. I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below the video. Check it out, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. And until next time, bon appétit!